Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol and welcome to Venice, Italy. Now I'm here with Jeep UK to attend Camp Jeep and see the European unveiling of the Jeep Gladiator, but it is a 2-hour transfer from Venice to Camp Jeep, and they've just chucked me the keys to a Jeep Trackhawk. I'm driving the Trackhawk again. We know this car well on the channel, 710 bhp. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Stay tuned, lots of Jeep goodness to come. So we have had our lunch, we've driven through some really rubbish bits, haven't we? And we've now started to come up into the mountains. Now, beside me is Dan from Adventure 52 Mag.
Hi guys.
Put his details below. We are partners in crime for the next, it's about a 2.5, nearly 3-hour drive, but this is basically the interesting bit, and we've got, I don't know, 60k, so I'm gonna have a go at some tight and twisty bits. And then Dan, you're going to have your first experience of the Trackhawk.
Yeah, and I'm feeling a bit intimidated, to be honest, because well, you've driven this a few days ago at Goodwood, but I don't actually have to say anything. The soundtrack speaks for itself. So.
Oh man! So this is actually the first time I've driven it on the road. It's wicked. Okay, let's just have a bit of a launch. Right then, here we go. Ready?
Ready, I think.
Good, isn't it?
Probably could have got my sunglasses on because you couldn't see my eyes just like this.
Yes. Now, I reckon if we go into apps and then performance pages, performance page is loading. There we go. We just did it at 4.2 seconds. Yeah, 60 feet in 1.98 seconds. Okay, we've swapped around again. I've got the last 4.2 Ks of a twisty Dolomite. Is it Dolomitian? Dolomitian?
Dolomitian?
Yeah, so we can kind of. It kind of comes into its own on a road like this. The bags flying around in the back. Oh, look at this!
Oh, tyre squeeze, yeah.
I've always wanted to kind of come with a decent performance car down a road like this. Look at this baby, wow. this could be the greatest drive of my life. You haven't actually been in the cold me driving fast, have you? Hopefully you're feeling all right about this. Oh man, what a road! I think the tourist board Giro's been up here by the looks of it. There's all kinds of painting on the road. Wow. Camp Jeep. We are 2 kilometers away. You'll be able to hear us coming. What a road. What a road. I need to now come and do all of my Petrol Ped reviews in Italy. This is stunning. Wowzers. Oh, built up area. Boo. Wow. That was wicked. Ah, I enjoyed that.
Let's get a clear run. Yeah.
So we are now very near Camp Jeep. We've climbed quite high. Have we got an altitude thing here? Do you know how high we are? I'm not sure.
Probably about 1,000 metres, I think. Usually they're on the chairlift. Yeah, look. 1421.
1421. Because when we were down at sea level, it was like 30 degrees. It's now 20 degrees. We've lost a lot of temperature. Look at those mountains up there, man. Wow. This is beautiful. Really beautiful. Right, I need to do a road trip now to Italy. It's that simple. I didn't even accelerate fast then. I just accelerated a bit and everyone just stared around to see what this squirrel-eating supercharged vehicle is. Wow, what a drive that was. Oh man, I couldn't help myself. We were kind of swapping the driving. I said to Dan, look, can I do the last 5k and really push on a bit? So I hope you enjoyed that. This thing round the tight and twisties is really, really good. This car is not just about their headline grabbing numbers like 710 brake and 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. It's actually pretty good around the tight and twisties, but you should feel the heat coming off it now. We worked it hard. But check out where we are, look. We are in the Italian Dolomites. We're up about 15,000 meters, 1,500 meters, I think. Yeah, but it's beautiful. This is our hotel that we're heading to now. So I'm gonna go and check in, find my room, grab a beer, and then we've got a press conference and a bit of a car reveal, and then tomorrow, 4x4ing. Come on, follow me. All right then, at my room, let's have a look to see what kind of room. Yeah, it's very kind of sparse and minimalist. Oh, look, lovely present from Jeep. We'll see what that is very shortly, but I'm quite excited by the prospect of a decent view. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm getting quite accustomed to these amazing views in Italy. Look at that view. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, so the prize for the best gizzit I've ever had on a press trip goes to Jeep. Ready for this? In that roll-up was a Jeep hammock. It's just so cool. I'm clearly not gonna jump on it hanging off of the shutters, but how cool is that? Jeep inspired. So guys, we've had a bit of a rest and we have been shuttled up to the top of the mountain to Camp Jeep. I mean, look at that for a beautiful, beautiful view. A big crocodile of Jeeps to bring us up. So we basically got a bit of a press conference and some beers and party time. Should we got to have even been dressed to the nines? Look, there you go. Got to make an effort when you come on these things. How cool is that? guys, the sun is starting to go down here at Camp Jeep, but behind me is the first European preview of the new Jeep Gladiator. It's basically a Jeep Wrangler pickup, based on the Wrangler, longer wheelbase, longer length, but with the kind of pickup on the back. And then also what they have launched, which is pretty cool, is this Jeep Wrangler 1941 edition, which I just think looks absolutely ace to base. I actually feel some drops of rain. We're at over 2,000 meters here at Camp Jeep, but I will leave you with the new Jeep Gladiator behind. Good morning, people, and welcome to Italy. The mountains are looking inviting. We are heading up there, and our weapon of choice today is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Look at this bad boy. So we're gonna head off into the mountains and do some serious off-roading. Right then.
All set.
Let's do this. So we have engaged low range box. Have you ever done much off-roading?
Yeah, a little bit. So yeah, so 4 means the 4-wheel drive, and then the L low range.
So we are.
Oh wow, that's just.
Easy peasy, come on. Oh, fantastic. So when I was at Bolocco recently, we did the 4x4 course, but loads of the really difficult stuff was basically, we didn't do it because we had Renegades and the lower end off-road capable Jeeps. All Jeeps are capable, but the Wrangler Rubicon is the #1. This is quite steep.
It is. It's pretty effortless as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, wow. I can't believe we've just come up that. That is, quite frankly, bonkers. Rally stage.
Rally stage. They do the rally here, don't they?
Really?
Yeah. September.
Right, let's do this. Hill descent. So we've seen that this thing can go up hills unbelievably. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, wow.
So what's 14 degrees then? 17 degrees nose down. 18. Yeah, it's
18 and
it's rough and rocky. Isn't it?
rough and rocky. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness me. I'm actually hanging on my seatbelt.
Yeah, same. You feel safe though, don't you?
Yeah.
Like it doesn't feel like it's skidding out under you, or
it's
that
a
low range
you can
box is just
feel it just moving around, but not in a bad way.
yeah.
Wow. Oh goodness me, what's going on here? The thing is, what you won't pick up on camera, guys, is that the rocks and the... I mean, look at the size of that loose boulder.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it just ate that
There you
breakfast.
go. Rock and roll. Okay, so they've set up some artificial obstacles, but they are absolutely full on. So here we go, people. So I've got some Italian dude waving at me. You are kidding me. These things are just awesome. Absolutely awesome. Well, that's one. I've got to watch the old instructor now. It's just so much fun. Oh, Camp Jeep. Who knew? Here we go. That is a quite ridiculous angle of 24 degrees. Hey! Number 2 sorted out. This is just so much fun. These things are, I can't get over how good they are off-road. Wow. And these artificial obstacles, when most people do like a, look at that, that's 22 degrees, just a little bit of throttle, not a great deal. Oh man, that's amazing. Good job he's got long arms. Then wait. It's a long way up. And down we come. Wow. I have to say a huge thank you to Jeep for inviting me to Italy to experience the Dolomites and Camp Jeep. But anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol for plenty more content to come. I'll see you on the next film, but you take care. Drive safe.